Hey guys, if you're trying to improve your English and become better at it, I'm sure this thought must have crossed your mind. How long will it take for me to become fluent? And if you are ever searched this on YouTube, you have probably seen amazing thumbnails saying this things like master English in 30 days, master English in 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, or 5 days, and so on. It can be very confusing. For some people, it takes just 1 month. For others, it takes 3 to 6 months. And for some, it takes much longer to become confident in the language. So in today's video, I'm going to answer this question once and for all. So I have divided this video into 5 parts. I will share my personal experience and approach that I followed, and how you can improve your English speaking journey by following some simple tips and tricks. So stay tuned. Hey, I'm Shalima, your English coach. Welcome back to my another session of learning English and improving your English speaking skills with me. So before beginning, please give your thumbs up to my video and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's begin. So have you ever wondered why there isn't one common answer to this question? Why does this time required differ from person to person? So let's understand this with a simple explanation. Alright, so for this, I would like to give you the example. Imagine you are standing on a 200-meter racetrack. Some people are standing at the 0-meter mark. Some are at 50 meters. Others are already at 150 meters. Now the total race is 200 meters. Who will reach the finish line first? Obviously, the person at 150 meters, right? And who will take the longest time? Of course, the person is starting from zero, right? So that's exactly how learning works. And that's exactly how you will take the time. So in your learning journey of English speaking, everyone is at the different stages. Some of you are at beginner, some of you are halfway through your journey, or imagine the journey has 10 stages. Some are at stage 0, they haven't even started yet. Some are at stage 7. That's why different people need different amount of time. And if you are starting from 0, that's completely okay. No problem at all. If you have ever watched your favorite YouTuber's first video, you probably found it awkward. Remember, we don't start with perfection. We grow into it during the journey, right? Now the question is, how do you check which stage you are at? To test your level, I'm going to give you an amazing hack. I call it on 1 minute challenge. Okay? So here what you need to do is sit in a calm and quiet place. Grab your phone, think of any random topic, your daily routine, your travel plans, what you did yesterday, your future goals, anything. Start a timer and begin speaking. Your task is to speak continuously for 1 minute. Why is this called a challenge? Because it comes with strict conditions. While recording yourself, be very honest. If you fumble, pause, or struggle to find the right word, stop the timer immediately. We want to track how many seconds or minutes you can speak continuously without nervousness, hesitation, or awkward pauses. So if you can speak for 40 to 50 seconds confidently, that means you are doing really well. You are already ahead of 80% of learners. So if you can only speak for 10 to 20 seconds without pausing, it means you need a little more time and practice to become fluent. That is the good news, guys. If you change your strategy and approach, you can improve much faster. Now let's talk about the top 3 factors that affect your fluency. So, first of all, let's talk about the step number one. Step number one is how much time are you giving to your learning? Imagine, guys, learner A practices English for 1 hour every day. Learner B practices for only 5 minutes a day. Who will improve faster? Of course, learner A. But this brings us to the second point. Step 2. It's not just about time, it's about how you practice. If someone spends 1 hour just watching movies, videos, or listening to podcasts, but never speaks, will they improve their speaking skills? Not really. Watching and listening are inputs. Speaking is output. Are you guys getting? Watching and listening are inputs. It is getting the information inside. Speaking is output. So if your input is more than your output, your understanding will improve, but your speaking won't. Your goal is to speak English. So you must practice speaking regularly. Even if you practice speaking for 25 to 30 minutes daily, focus on output. English is not about writing notes or preparing for an exam. It's about real life conversations. Now, let's talk about the step number 3. Step number 3 is, are you learning alone or with guidance? Imagine you need to reach a destination and you ask random people for directions. Everyone might give you a different route. You could even take a longer or wrong path. Now imagine you use Google Maps, it guides you step by step, shows you the best route, and helps you avoid traffic. The same happens in learning English. If you follow random advices, you may get confused. You need guidance from someone who experienced, someone who can correct your mistakes, improve you at every step, and show you the right direction. Now, let me share a secret trick that helped me a lot, guys. And it really helped you too as well. So, I can call it visualization practice. All right, it is called visualization practice. I used to watch motivational speakers and celebrities, people like Sushmita Sen, Shah Rukh Khan, Priyanka Chopra, and observe how confidently they spoke and delivered their speeches. Then I would lock myself in a room and pretend I was on a stage. I imagined the floor as my stage, and the mirror as my audience. I practiced giving award speeches, success speeches just like them. It may sound funny for you, but it builds immense confidence. It makes you believe that you can do it. If you are a working professional, imagine you are sitting in front of a recruiter and answering interview questions. Practice mock interviews. If you are a student with an upcoming presentation, rehearse it as if you are already in front of your class. So this really works. Now let's answer the big question on the last time. Now let's answer the big question one last time. How long will it take to become fluent in English? If you are an intermediate learner, it may take around 3 to 6 months of consistent practice to reach the next level and gain confidence. A beginner who struggles to form sentences, it may take 9 to 12 months. And if you are only watching and listening without practicing speaking, you may improve your understanding but not your fluency. So here is the best part, guys. You can control the speed of your learning. If you want to speed up the process, start small, but start smart. Sound yourself with people who speak English. If that's difficult, find a speaking partner. Speaking with someone is always better than speaking alone, because it keeps you motivated and uncountable. So guys, if you like this video, please give thumbs up. So thank you so much for staying till the last of this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channel. And let me know in the comments how long were you able to speak in the 1 minute challenge. So until then, Happy learning, guys. So, this is Shalima signing off. Take care and speak English with confidence. All the best.